So for this project, we get to eat it. It is going to be a yummy project. We're gonna make the simplest cookies ever. You only need 2 ingredients, or if you want it to be extra tasty, 3. I'm making mine extra tasty, so I'm gonna have 3 in mine. Okay, so just get them all mushy, 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 as mushed up as you possibly can. Mush, 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 mush. Then I'm adding in some chocolate chip and then stir it, and then you're gonna take it by the spoon full and you're gonna put it on your cookie sheet. And I'm gonna go in the kitchen and do that part. Okay, it's 15 minutes later and here are my yummy cookies. I can't wait to have one. I know Ollie's gonna want one. Well, I wanna see your cookies that you guys make and let me know if they were yummy.